Break fast? No, that's not how we say it, but that is where the word comes from. Although we pronounce it breakfast, it looks like break fast because it is the meal where you break your fast. But what does break your fast mean? I'm Teacher Mike. I help adults like you learn real English that they can use in their daily lives. And today we are talking about the word fast, which looks and sounds exactly the same as the word that we use to talk about speed. To fast basically means to not eat for a longer period of time than normal. Sometimes fasting means that you do not eat any food at all. Sometimes it means that you only eat very little food. Sometimes it means that you don't eat specific types of food. And sometimes fasting also includes not drinking anything. Although there are many reasons why people fast, one of the main reasons is religion. For example, during Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn until sunset. This means that from dawn until sunset, they do not eat anything. And yes, I know that there are also other things that Muslims do not do during this time, but this is just a short video about the word fast, not a full video about Ramadan. Sometimes people fast for social or political reasons. For example, they might be protesting something or trying to raise awareness about something. To raise awareness about something means to try to make sure that more people know about it. And when people fast for these reasons, they are basically saying, I'm not going to eat anything until you fix this problem. And this is called a hunger strike. For example, the protesters are on the third day of their hunger strike. That means that it is their third day without eating any food. Fast as a noun is basically the event or the period of time that you fast. For example, she is doing a 2-day fast. That means that she is not going to eat anything for 2 days. And fast as a noun is also where the word breakfast comes from. It is the meal where you break your fast, which means to eat after a period of fasting. Although you are not trying to fast while you sleep, you are fasting because while you are sleeping, you are not eating. So when you eat breakfast, you are breaking your overnight fast. But yeah, that's all for today. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. And just a quick reminder, I have new videos every Sunday and Thursday, as well as a live video each Tuesday. So if you're interested in more videos like this one, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications. Also, if you have a few more minutes, why not watch another video right now?